What's up, guys? We got a lot going on. Long story short, the Sonny. What do we think? Good, just good. That's it. That's good. It's just good, guys. Sorry I had to cut this to black and white, guys, but I can't let you see the car just yet. So we're basing this off of what Browner thinks. What do you think? It's what? Oh my god.
Don't you dare put that in.
You wait till I tell Luke what you said. Excuse me? You can't swear on here.
I can swear as much as I want, Chris. You're not going to put it in there.
Wow.
That looks good, babe.
You had a good day at work?
It'd be good to see in the sun.
Yeah. We could open up the other door and...
Yeah.
Anyway, it looks freaking amazing, and at the end of this video I'll show you exactly what colour it is and how it turned out. But I've actually got to run down to Sleeker Spares, get a new oil pressure sensor because mine has chucked a wobbly, and I then got to go to Dan's house, get tyres and borrow some rims because I don't have any skinny tyres left. I don't have any skinny rims left to be able to run this 235 tyre rule, which I hate. But anyway, gotta do what you gotta do, and Dan is saving us for this weekend. So we gotta go. See you, runners.
See ya.
Alright, let's go. Okay, so we've skipped a lot. I think I've skipped, fast forwarded to maybe 12 hours. I left the shed yesterday after I showed Bree the car, that's right. And yeah, sorry, I didn't get the camera out once last night because I was on a massive mission. But I went to Sleeker Spares, had to get a new oil pressure sensor because the one I've had in the car for the last 12 or 18 months, it was, yeah, going 0, 100 PSI without even the car running. So that failed, unfortunately. So yeah, I just bought I think it's a Raceworks one. It's like 250 bucks, so that was a bit of a hit. But anyway, so that's all good now because obviously if the oil pressure wasn't reading, this engine wouldn't run with the Motec, so that is very important. This morning I got up early, just changed all the oils because I didn't get a chance to do that last night. I got back real late, so I went and seen my buddy Dan Pryor, and he let me borrow some of his rims because he's got some 9.5 inch wide rims, and that's what I need for these 235s for the tyre rule at Keep It Reet tomorrow. And yeah, as you can see, here's the Sonny. 2 days ago we were at Born Again Restorations, and Luke was flat out with me trying to get the car all finished, and we left there at like 2 in the morning. So that was pretty wild. And then yeah, back up at 5 for work the following, well, yeah, a couple of hours after. But yeah, we're all good to go now. Got a couple more hours sleep last night, and we are heading to Bree's grandparents' house tonight. Well, basically today. We'll get there in like 7 hours, and we're going to stay there and then head into the Keep It Reet event tomorrow because it's only an afternoon event. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, we got a road trip to do, so let's do it. Hey guys, okay, so we just fast forwarded again. Fast forwarded 6 or 7 hours to Victoria now. We're on like the coast, and this is where Bree's grandparents live. So I'm just going to cut straight to it because I think I've dragged it out long enough now. Let's just show you the Sonvia. I am freaking pumped with this colour. Every time I look at it, it's like changing its colour slightly, like just the, I don't know, it's kind of weird. But every single light it's been under so far, it looks a different shade. And I'm, yeah, freaking loving it. So let's just cut straight to it. And the camera is not going to do it justice at all. I'm looking forward to showing everyone it. Keep It Reet tomorrow over in Melbourne. It's going to be bloody nuts. So I'll cut to the car, and then after that is going to be the end of the video. So if you're from Melbourne and you watch these videos, this is like a very rare opportunity to come see obviously the Sonny and myself in Melbourne, because I haven't been there all year. And it's at Calder Park. Gates open at 3 PM, and I think it goes through till like 10 or 11 at night. So no qualifying, all battles, top 16, invite only. And it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be nuts. I think they've got like a drift school happening or something, and there's also passenger rides with pros. Really well run event, so it's gonna be good. Brunner's just waiting for me. I better go. Let's cut to the car. Thanks heaps for watching, guys, and we'll see you again tomorrow at Keep It Reet.